When our customers are happy, we're happy. And when they write to tell us why they're so excited, we get excited to share it. They were so impressed about the great customer service they've received that they went online and left this review. We do our best to get customer feedback. We always appreciate hearing from our customers as we strive to constantly improve our services by listening, focusing, and caring for every single one of our customers. We love our repeat customers, but we also love new customers, and we'd like to be that to you. So give us a chance to show you what we can do. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Call us today at the number on your screen.